Hi there, welcome to another video from your favorite motorcycle geek. This time I got a new gadget that will help me a lot with filming, with making cool shots and bring you better content. It's this one, the DJI Mavic Air. I bought it yesterday and yeah, I just wanted to show you what is inside the box and take you a tour around all the stuff that's delivered with the Fly More combo. So let's open it up. Okay, over here you get a nice pouch which contains the drone. Yeah, okay, everything is in there. This is easy to transport it with. We've got these nice stickers on them. We will peel them off later. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, with the Fly More combo you get this nice shoulder bag. Let's put this aside. Yeah, it's quite compact actually. You got all kinds of pockets in there with a zipper, so that's good. You can put some paper in there. Yeah, let's see what's in there. Okay, so over here we get the controller. I think I need to hold it like this. Yeah. Yeah, I will show it more in detail later on. So the controller is in there. We have this box which contains a USB cable, USB-C cable, all kinds of adapters, spare props, which is also nice. I hope I don't need them, but yeah, it's good that it delivered with it. Below here we have some extra batteries because the Fly More combo comes with 2 extra batteries in contrast with the normal Mavic Air package. We have an adapter, an AC adapter, and the plug that comes with it. And over here we have a docking station for the batteries. So you can click them in there like this, and you can charge 4 batteries at once. So I might need to buy another battery to fully use the capabilities of this charger. Yeah. And it's nice compact, you can fold it in, so you can easily bring it with you on your travels. Yeah, okay, so that's inside here. Normally, of course, instead of this box, you put your drone in there. So let's see if that fits. Oh, by the way, here is the 3rd battery. So yeah, the drone should fit in here, I think. Yeah, fits like a glove. Nice. Okay, so you can use this one, but that's more if you want to transport just the drone. If you want to transport extra batteries and the controller with it, yeah, you can use the shoulder bag. So that's really good of DJI. Let's see what else is left in the box. We have this part over here. Let's see. These are the prop guards that you can mount on the drone. I don't know if I will use it. I think I will in the beginning, but it makes the drone a bit heavier, so more vulnerable to wind. I don't know, we'll see if we're going to use that. And we got all kinds of books, a lot of books, a lot of warranties, safety measures, explanations, everything. So that's what's inside of here. Did I miss something? Nope, it's all empty. So it's quite a total package when you buy the Fly More combo. Yeah, it's a bit more expensive of course, but you get 2 extra batteries, which are 80 euros per piece, I think. So that's already 160. You get these, you get them with the Fly More combo, I think. Charging dock, I'm not sure. I don't think you get that with the normal drone package, but I have to look it up. yeah, you get this bag with it, of course. You get a nice pouch. It's a more complete package. So let's take a look at the details of the controller. So this is the controller. Yeah, first let's peel off this sticker. The controller has a lot of buttons on them. I will try to explain them shortly with the ones I know of, because yeah, I don't know them all. First of all, we got these two antennas. One twists like this and the other one twists like that. So you have full coverage when flying with your drone. Of course, you can mount your smartphone underneath the controller. That's where these two come in, these holders. There's a plug over here, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it very clearly. There's a USB-C plug. It comes standard with an iPhone plug, but I already changed it to a USB-C because I got a OnePlus, which uses USB-C. Over here you got the thumbsticks. There's another one over here that you can just screw in on the controller. That you can screw in there. Okay, so let's grab my phone. Okay, so you can put your phone in here. My phone is quite big, so if you have like a OnePlus 5T, 6 or S9 Plus or a big iPhone, it can be quite difficult to get it in the controller. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. So then it's connected, as you can see, and yeah, you can fly around and use your screen to see what your drone is seeing. All right, let's go through the buttons real quick. So we got the two thumbsticks. The left one is for going up or down, or rotating to the left or right. The right thumbstick is to fly forward, backward, to the left or to the right. This button is to turn it on. If you want to turn it on, you have to click it once and then hold it in, and it makes a terrible noise. And then it's turned on and it tries to connect to your phone and to the drone and whatever. So let's turn it back off. You click it once and then hold it again, and you see the lights go away, and then it's turned off. We got this function button. Inside the app you can assign a function to this, which is like changing from map view to live view or all sorts of stuff. You have to look it up in the app, which is the same as this button. You can also assign a specific function to it. It makes it easier to fly with your drone, but it's all personal choice. We got this button over here. It's a little H, like a helicopter pad, and that means return to home. So when you take off with your drone, then it will remember that spot where you took it off or lift off. It will remember it as home. So when it's too far away from you, you can click this button and it will come back to his landing spot. This one is pause. So when, I'm not sure if it's when you're recording you can pause it and repeat, but it's when you do automated flying, you can pause its program. Over here you have the sport mode, so you slide it to the right and it's sport and it's flying for fun and fast stuff, but I will leave it in normal for now. Over here you can take a picture with this button, and this button is for recording. This scroll wheel over here, I forgot what it really did. I think it was for tilting your gimbal, so tilting it to the down or upwards. So while flying you can do these cool shots with it. Here is a USB, I think it's micro USB, but it's a specific one, which connects to the plug that goes into your phone. Yeah, this one is for charging the controller, but also it's a nice spot to stash that connector. So yeah, that's what it's like. Here is a USB port, so you can, I think you can charge something else with the controller, but I have to look it up because I'm not really sure. The controller itself is not lightweight, it's quite heavy, which is good because it makes it feel solid and robust. Yeah, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Yeah, that's really good. And I really like that you can fold in the antennas, and then it's a really small package again. Onto the batteries. The batteries are very simple. They contain, I think it was 2300 milliampere hours, yeah, something like that. They got one button, you can click it to see the charging status. I charged them already, so there are 4 lights, and when it's charging in the dock, this one, then it will blink while charging. You will see it for yourself. Let's take a look at the drone itself. We got all these nice yellow stickers on them, so I will try to peel them off. Yeah. Okay, so what is so good about the Mavic compared to Spark, for example? That's why I bought this one. It has more functions, of course. It has a better camera, that kind of stuff, but also you can fold it in. So these fold out, and that keeps it a really compact package. That's quite good. Okay, we got these landing feet. You can flip them up and have a nice yellow sticker. Get it off there. Very easy. Over here you can see 2 sensors, so that measure the distance from the ground. We got 2 sensors in the back and in the front, and we got the gimbal. So for that you have to click in these side pieces, so you can fold this up and then slide it out, really easy. Then we have the gimbal exposed. It's a smooth device, and oh, I forgot a couple stickers. To install or remove the battery, there are these buttons on the side. These, you have to slide it in, both, and then clicks out, and you can just take it out. And when you put it back in, you slide it in, and then press until it clicks in, and the red part, you can see over here, is gone. It's very easy to switch around. Over here on the back, there's this little port. You can open it with your nail or with a coin or whatever. And here is a USB connector, so you can download the footage you took on the internal storage of the drone, which is 8 gigabytes. Or you can put in a micro SD card over there. So that is the drone. It's really compact, as you can see in my hands. It's yeah, it can fit in the palm of your hand, so it's a really small one. I think it can even fit inside a pocket of your jacket or whatever. It's well done by DJI. Alright, that was the unboxing video of the Mavic Air Fly More Combo package. Yeah, I really think DJI did a good job on this, and I can't wait to take it out for a spin. I'm also looking forward to the function that is follow an object, which means that when I'm driving with my motorcycle, then I can make the drone follow me until I think up to 50 kilometers an hour. So that's really cool. I hope I can get some cool shots with that. I hope you liked the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And let me know in the comments what you think about this drone. Maybe you have one yourself. I'm really curious to hear about that. And yeah, see you next time when I hopefully use this one. Cheers!